kind of bitch. It's super, I mean, it just fits. Super slim style. Yeah, it's clean. That's the spot. That's the spot. A couple of things need to happen here. All right, nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice. All right, that's good. See this? See this flux that comes up? That's what I'm cleaning. Oh, a little snaky. Now these, out of all the things that are applied on, the snakes are some of the trickiest because there's so much detail in them, and you can flood those details out with solder if you're not careful. So you got to use the tiniest pieces. Like, I don't even know. Okay, so that'll be the head piece. That'll be, yeah, there's enough. Yeah. There we go. That was beautiful. Just want to make sure it's all the way. All right. Look at that. It was fucking beautiful. When you see them sparks, that means it's touching the pliers. That is hot. These melt really easily, so you gotta be very careful. Just any piece that's thin and has little pieces that hang off of it, it's just very difficult. Depending on what the piece is, sometimes I'll either drop the solder or I'll pre-solder it like this, because depending on the application, this will be way cleaner than dropping it. This is the tricky piece. So I always do the head and the tail first. This will look bad at first, but then once I put it on there, I'll heat this. I'll show you. Line this all up, and then I'll make sure that seals. Oh, I fucked up. God damn it. We're gonna try it. So now that I fucked up and put solder on the wrong side of this, what I gotta do is heat up underneath and pull all that. It's really tricky. I'm gonna try to heat this key up so much that it pulls the solder down, but I cannot add the Mick logo yet because that will melt. 100% that will melt if I put it on right now. God, that was dumb. I wasn't paying attention, man. So I gotta heat this key up. Hopefully I don't warp it, but I gotta get some serious heat going on this key to suck that solder down. So now I'm trying to get this thing to seal all the way around. Yeah, it looks like it's sealed. Yeah. See, I need this key hotter because I can see that solder trying to pull up. So, there it goes. You see it just get sucked down? I don't know if you saw that. That was nice. That's exactly what you want to see. Just make sure it's flat. I need it to... I'm going to have to hammer this down. I can tell it's a little bit warped. I'm running this flame really hot. Hopefully we don't lose anything. The most important part of this is that tip of the lightning bolt. The front and the back tip. That those get sealed. They look like they are. Perfect. And scene. I think Mick will like it. That's all right. All the detail, man. Looks good.